Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by getting the physical card and device ready. Wipe the card and lens, stabilize the phone on a tripod or flat surface so the camera stays steady. Once done, open the retailer or issuer app and go straight to the redeem or scan code screen. This is the only path that accepts camera input. Make sure autofocus is enabled and ambient light is bright but not blinding, and disable flash when the code is reflective to avoid glare. You now position the code in the app's frame precisely, include the whole numeric or QR area, and keep a consistent 1 to 3 inch distance for most phone cameras. Once positioned, tilt the card a few degrees to reduce reflective glare. Steady your breath and hold until the app auto-detects the code. If the code is under a scratch-off coating, carefully remove only the coating over the digits without scraping the print. Damaged numerals cannot be read by the scanner. You finish by reviewing the on-screen code the app captured, and then press Redeem or Submit to complete the transaction. That step finalizes activation. If the scanner fails, type the code manually and verify commonly misread characters like 0 versus letter O or 1 versus letter I. This solves most errors. If problems persist, increase diffuse lighting, put a dark, flat background under the card, or switch to another camera or device.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.